If you want stronger tomato plants, fewer disease problems, and higher harvests next season, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, you will learn which tomato varieties are earning renewed trust after strong 2025 results, and the simple growing habits that consistently separate average gardens from high-yield ones. The 2025 season reminded many growers of an old truth. Reliability beats novelty. Weather swings, humidity, and disease pressure pushed gardeners back toward tomatoes that can handle stress and still produce. Blight resistance, stable yields, and predictable flavor became priorities again. This renewed interest is not about trends, it is about confidence. When a plant survives tough conditions and still fills baskets, it earns its place in the garden year after year. High yields do not start with fertilizer, they start with soil and planning. Tomatoes reward consistency more than intensity. Well-drained soil, rich in organic matter, allows roots to breathe and grow deep. Spacing matters more than most people think. Crowded plants invite disease and reduce airflow. Watering deeply and less often trains roots to reach down, making plants more resilient during heat waves. These basics are quiet habits, but they are the backbone of every productive tomato garden. Blight resistance does not mean blight-proof, but it buys you time and harvests. Many gardeners are returning to varieties that have shown steady performance across many seasons. Look for tomatoes bred with resistance to early blight and late blight, especially if you garden in humid or rainy regions. These plants tend to hold green leaves longer, set fruit more consistently, and require fewer interventions. Less stress for the plant usually means more tomatoes for you. Not every reliable tomato is new. Some older varieties have lasted because they work. These tomatoes may not always be flashy, but they balance yield, flavor, and resilience. They often tolerate temperature swings better and recover faster after stress. Many experienced growers build their garden around these dependable performers and then experiment with only one or two new varieties each year. This approach protects your harvest while still allowing curiosity. Pruning with purpose helps the plant focus energy on fruit instead of excess foliage. Supporting plants early prevents broken stems and disease spread later. Mulching stabilizes soil moisture and temperature while reducing weed competition. Feeding tomatoes lightly but regularly is more effective than heavy feeding all at once. These techniques are simple, repeatable, and proven across generations of growers. High yields come from steady care, not constant tinkering. The smartest gardens blend resilience and enjoyment. Choose a mix of blight-resistant tomatoes for security and proven classics for flavor and yield. Pay attention to what performed well in your own space. The garden is a long conversation between you and the soil. Each season teaches you something if you are willing to notice. If this guide helped you think more clearly about tomatoes for the coming season, take a moment to like the video and subscribe. It helps this growing family reach more people who value practical knowledge and steady results. Thanks for watching, and may your next tomato harvest be your best yet.